How to fix echo in microphone or headset problem in Windows 11. So if you want to fix your headset or your microphone problem in your Windows 11, then first you just need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for mmsys.cpl. Hit the enter. It will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply select your microphone or headphones. Right click on it and then go with properties. And here, if you've selected the microphone option, then you just need to simply go with levels option. Under properties, you will have levels, and under levels, you need to go with listen to this device and then apply an OK. But if you've not selected microphone and if you've selected headphones, then under your headphones, you can right click on your headphones, go with properties, and under your properties, you can just go with levels and then increase the level. And under your advanced option, you will have enhancements. So you just need simply go with enhancement, and under enhancement, you will need to go and disable all of your enhancement. Once you're done with it, you just need to simply go with apply and OK, and that's it. That's how you can fix echo in microphone or headset problem in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.